Hi guys. Do you want to be on my YouTube channel?
You have a YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna vlog. Do you want to be in it?
Yeah, I'm in it. Hi guys.
Hi guys. What are we doing today? Somali. Yo. Somali night events. Okay, you guys want to be on my YouTube? Yeah.
Hello. Hey, let's go. Go upstairs. I didn't put
I think we know.
Let's go, guys.
Oh my. Where are we going? Wait, let me grab my coffee. Can't forget my coffee. My phone? I don't want people to notice that I'm recording something.
The crazy thing is, if you record, you should have told me to grab my tripod downstairs. I got a whole tripod.
Is this a vlog? You want to be in it? It's a YouTube vlog.
What's Baba?
Yeah, what's up?
I don't have anything to say, to be honest.
Hello. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hello.
You want to be in my vlog?
Yeah. Hi, guys. The name is...
Your name is
Come here, we got... Are you recording now? Isn't that shit happening?
No, it's cool.
No, shit, yeah.
No, well, I thought they were putting tape on.
I know, we gotta be on the spot for them to was in our thing.
Sorry, Anissa, 1 second.
It's okay. No, to see how it's
Hey! How are you? Good, how are you? Do you want to be in my YouTube channel? I'm vlogging. Oh, now go to the side. Look how many fucking seats there are. All the way up to the next one. Like up there. I know. I don't think they're gonna film it up. No. Let me see the that's big. This is Adan people stuff.
Okay, we're going to be the audience. Let's be the audience.
Okay.
Let's be the audience, guys.
What is it? Dhanto?
Just like this, right?
Can I get this?
Hello? What's happening? What's happening? Okay. Who is performing? What are they performing? Dhanto? Dhanto?
Everyone take it. Everyone take it. We got behind West.
Where are you going? Go ahead. Can you go through? Yeah. Hi guys, so while those people are practicing their dhanto, I decided to just come at the back to show you guys our break room, dressing room or makeup room, whatever you want to call it. So there's a monitor where you can check the guys that are doing their practices. They have huge mirrors with huge light bulbs, so cool. Hi, and that's me like feeling myself. These mirrors are so huge and it feels amazing to be part of this. Like it feels like a real show, whatever. Peace. Anyway, look at this. Here, when you walk here, there's a bathroom. It's a huge bathroom. Like you could literally take a shower or whatever. Like this bathroom is for the UFM performers. Like they can chill and take a shower or whatever in here. That is cool. And yeah, they get to see what's going on in the monitor. And here's me. Came to the kitchen area to eat my food, and still like look what's going on and keep watching stage. And if they call for the performers to practice, I get to watch. And yeah, here's me again eating my leftover. It's not leftover, but I couldn't eat it last night and we had to be here early in the morning, so I just grabbed it. I didn't have time to grab fresh breakfast because literally was no joke. We had to be at rehearsal early in the morning, and this is me feeling myself. No صعب for you. Yeah, ولا قد What does it look like? So here's my team performing ruwayad. We were here rehearsing, but you know, people goofing around and stuff like that. No, I want you to play with the stick like you were doing. No. Show us. That's embarrassing. Well, that's embarrassing.
I'm gonna end up laughing more than I did that.
He's capable of that. I give that all you have to go, right? That's all. أرداله وحاول ما حاول صوت وأنا قد عرساي إذا بالله اشتري الجيم حط النقطة خوش أكثر كيف تعرف أنت وش هذا وين الصار؟ هيا يرى عليك هذا هذا إيش كيف ما قاعدة كريم وخوص
كريم بس بحكم يتطلع السؤال أنا بقول جالسنا ما أخلي معهم
هيا إيش
Continue.
You're in America, bro.
I keep adding English words.
That's fine. Play it because you're in America.
You're assimilating. Yeah.
So that was the rehearsal for the ruwayad, and after that we went upstage to, you know, they called us there and see what's going on. They're practicing dhanto right now, and by the way, I was supposed to be part of the dhanto performance as well, and I went to a lot of the practices, but then there were some people who thought that some hater girls who thought they were all that, they were in charge or whatever, was like, I cannot do both dhanto and ruwayad. They were just haters, you know, came up with excuses, lame ones may I add. So they made me choose between dhanto or ruwayad.
At this point, I'm putting it there.
Do you guys have extra lashes or no? I think we have lashes.
As you can see, I chose the ruwayad, and here's us getting ready, is me putting on makeup, and after we came from Cane's and ate our food.
It's been too long. It's too risky. It's been too long.
For me, I'm just doing my natural.
Right.
I'm not good with lashes anyway. I don't want to ruin it.
We two also do the same thing. Guys, does the makeup look okay? It
looks nice. Pop some lashes to make your eye look pop. Let me.
Yeah, but like a blush is blush.
But the issue is, I'm just so scared. Like I don't want to let it go. Well, I can put it up if you want.
I don't know if like any of them would go on.
I'm gonna find out.
No, find out. What was it? Let me see these ones. What was it? Do you think these ones will be okay?
This is bomb.
My makeup is cute. I'm not a makeup girl.
It's cute though.
I did okay.
Yeah, I like it. It's so cute. Should I do the bottom of the
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah, can I?
Yeah.
And then, do you have the lash?
Oh, I can work for you.
I don't need one. Last one? Yeah.
Well, that was like you spent from hell again.
I'm saying, bro. Oh, you should this one from grabbing me. I think your lash is using most. Yeah, I'm going to
kastan ka dhidhiya dhibta aana kula qabin isana dhaawacaagaan dhaymadiisa u noolahay kastan ka dhidhiya dhibta aana kula qabin isana dhaawacaagaan dhaymadiisa u noolahay dhagar qaba waayo
Okay guys, here's my final look after the shit is ready to act.
I'll cut them, it's okay. I'll get it, twirl, yeah. Okay.
عمر الله وتصرف على بعض وفرزة عمر عاد
No, you stalking me. That's how that's the dulli, bro. That's my cousin right there. Dumbass nigga. All right though. Nah, we just kind of like grazing around, you know, we just grazing. No, I know what that means. I know what that means. Come here. I'm a crash out, bro. Nah, come What? I can always still where I stand. I want my good side.
Okay.
Give me my good side. صح؟ اوكي لو اني برياضة واركي نبركة يمسي I like moving around, bro. Perpetual motion. On some Nikola Tesla shit. Perpetual motion.
ماشي عم ما نستاق ستريتك وحلتك
Yeah, you gotta be careful of cars and shit, bro.
Okay, car and shit. Shit. ما فهمت.
Talking too much, bro.
تيجي ما نضبط الله يكبر
Bro, this nigga taking too long.
كالي انت وصلت كالي ولا شيء ايه شيء
Bro, chill. I'm trying to be nonchalant. الله يخليك.
ديك الحين ما تكون حسن حشا يسار
حقه بعد وشة حوالي
وقوم حين بديك ما يسار
يجي
أحسن وقتها شيء خاص
طويل بكرسي أي شيء تعالوا
قولي ما بتشوف حشا يسار أنا بتوفر كسبان ورك حد معنا شوفي ما نسوي واضح
نفسي صار أنا صور يا أخواني
ما حصل من الغيصة ما يبغى تخلي
صح إنك أنا أما حسن قال يا كبار فردان ما لا أستطيع إذا فردان ما كل شيء نعم شو الغلط نعم أسمع الحمد لله أسمع هذه كورة الحمد لله صفة يعني حاضر كل وصل الحمد لله يرونا وقت
I'm
Bertangku datang, tanku dolai, naya hati kiu haradai, nabelia hayu nadis dalarugi, dapti kabanimo, kahei, dapti kabanimo, wadu dalato, ada dusio. Yeah.
Make some noise for my brother 3-1 guys. Hey bro, you didn't fly all the way from London just to sing one song. You better come back out, you better come back out, my guy. This is Minnesota, we gotta show up for you, man. I want something a little bit different. I want your #1 hit from Minnesota. I want this. Can you do it for me?
I'm going.
Alright, let me see what you got first.
If you get what you want,
Let me hear you sing it with him, come on!
I'll make a lecture on it.
What?
Your bestie deep inside, you know she want it. Let's get the party started, watch a nigga press play. Don't know if I should trust you or my instincts. She flying out to see me, she been on my wish list. Got me stressing on my ill brother, ill brother, ill brother. Ill brother, that's so I'm cool with it.
Alright, everybody get up on your feet already, yeah? Flashlights on real quick.
Hey, you don't sing this.
Get up on your feet and turn your flashlights on for me, come on.
See the lights. If you get what you want, I got it. I can just gotta make a relation. Come on in. Bring your recipe to sign what you want it. Let's get the party started, watch me keep a fast lane. Don't know if I should trust you or my instincts. She flying like a sea, she get on my wish list. Go be stressing on my head, mother. She goes, stem wings, fly, what's the fuck of the name? My kind, let us see the shot, you can show my name. What about, it's like, oh, stem, it's plenty, who got the law? So we don't know.
I can't be wrong with this, right? I'm about to go up there. What has she
You fucking me.
وبلاكم تجوك عادي حكم يعني دول With that conversation concluded, the cousins decide it's time to head to Basaso to ask for Rumaysa's hand in marriage. They made a call to America. Will her father allow her to marry someone like Hirsi, or he be treated with disdain?
Are you gonna go from that side? But like that's the house.
Okay,
No, no, it's too late. Too late.
هذا تعال
No, there are. What's up? Yo, where's Bahja? I want to talk. We are here. How is it? Get identity. Get shot. Identity. China. China identity. Ask me one.
صدقين لبني حال صعب هي الشيء هي ذات هي واحد صوت
It's a little bit too long, right? It's a little bit too long, right?
Your fashion show partner is coming.
I'm recording a video.
They need to turn out the song.
أي عيوم إيسو دعي فاتحة إي أخري إيش هذا إلهي هايقا حجاو حاسد كإيشيس إلهي هايقا حجاو وأركيسا